With winter fading away, Nike is bringing fresh energy into the new season with a striking Air Max Plus inspired by one of nature's most breathtaking sights, the Northern Lights. Known for its bold gradient designs, the Air Max Plus continues that legacy with a colorway that feels both familiar and refreshing. This upcoming release blends Purple Dynasty, Desert Berry, and Platinum Violet, creating a flowing gradient that mirrors the glow and movement of the aurora borealis. The vibrant upper is balanced by a mostly black base, giving the colors more impact, while clean white swooshes on each side add sharp contrast. This thoughtful mix of tones keeps the shoe eye-catching without feeling overdone. The Nike Air Max Plus Northern Lights is set to release in women's sizing during the spring 2026 season, which runs from now until the end of March. The confirmed retail price is $185, making it a premium but statement-ready addition for the warmer months.